Welcome to I'm Finally Fit. In the world of fitness, misinformation can be as prevalent as the weights in a gym. Many gym goers fall victim to common fitness myths that can derail their progress and lead to frustration. From the belief that lifting weights will make you bulky to the idea that you can spot reduce fat, these misconceptions can mislead even the most dedicated individuals. Understanding the truth behind these myths is crucial for anyone looking to optimize their workout routine and achieve their fitness goals. As we embark on this engaging and informative exploration of fitness truths, we'll uncover the realities behind these myths and provide you with evidence-based practices that can enhance your gym experience. It's essential to recognize that effective workouts are not just about spending hours in the gym. They're about making the most of your time and effort. By debunking these myths, we aim to empower you with knowledge that can transform your approach to fitness. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, understanding what truly works will help you maximize your results and make your workouts more efficient. So, let's dive in and separate fact from fiction, ensuring that your fitness journey is both effective and enjoyable. Myth 1. More sweat equals more fat loss. Many people believe that the more they sweat during a workout, the more fat they are burning. This misconception can lead to a misguided focus on sweat levels rather than actual fat loss. The science behind sweating is quite simple. Sweating is your body's way of regulating temperature. When you exercise, your body heats up and sweating helps cool you down. However, the amount you sweat does not directly correlate with the number of calories burned or fat lost. Fat loss primarily hinges on maintaining an energy deficit, which means you need to burn more calories than you consume. This can be achieved through various types of workouts, regardless of how much you sweat. For instance, strength training, yoga, or low-intensity steady-state cardio can be incredibly effective for fat loss, even if they don't leave you drenched in sweat. In fact, many high-intensity workouts may not induce heavy sweating if performed in cooler environments or if hydration levels are optimal. So, instead of focusing on how much you sweat, concentrate on creating a balanced workout routine that promotes a caloric deficit and supports your overall fitness goals. Remember, effective workouts are about quality, not quantity of sweat. Myth 2. Lifting weights makes you bulky. A common belief among many gym goers is that lifting weights will inevitably lead to a bulky physique. This misconception can deter individuals, especially women, from incorporating strength training into their routines. The reality is that muscle gain and body composition are influenced by several factors, including genetics and diet. Not everyone has the genetic predisposition to develop large muscles, and without a caloric surplus and specific training, it's unlikely that weightlifting alone will lead to a bulky appearance. In fact, weightlifting can be a powerful tool for fat loss and toning. When you lift weights, you increase your muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism. This means you burn more calories even at rest, aiding in fat loss. Additionally, strength training helps to sculpt and define your body, leading to a leaner appearance. Different training styles can cater to various fitness goals. For those looking to build muscle, a program focused on heavier weights and lower repetitions may be ideal. Conversely, if your goal is to tone and lose fat, lighter weights with higher repetitions can be effective. Ultimately, embracing weightlifting as part of a balanced fitness regimen can enhance your physique without the fear of becoming bulky. Myth 3. Cardio is the only way to lose weight. Many people believe that cardiovascular exercise is the only effective method for losing weight. While cardio certainly plays a role in burning calories, It's essential to recognize that a balanced fitness routine includes strength training as well. Strength training not only helps build muscle but also increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Combining cardio with strength training can significantly enhance your weight loss results. When you incorporate both types of exercise, you create a well-rounded program that maximizes calorie burn and promotes muscle retention. This is particularly important during weight loss, as preserving muscle mass helps maintain a healthy metabolism. Effective workout combinations for weight loss might include circuit training, where you alternate between strength exercises and short bursts of cardio, or high-intensity interval training, HIIT, which combines intense cardio with strength moves. For example, a workout could consist of squats followed by a minute of jumping jacks or deadlifts paired with sprints. By integrating both cardio and strength training into your routine, you'll not only enhance your weight loss efforts but also improve your overall fitness and health. Remember, variety is key to achieving lasting results. Myth 4: you need to work out every day. There's a common belief that to achieve fitness success, you must work out every single day. However, this notion overlooks the critical importance of rest and recovery in any workout regimen. Your body needs time to repair and rebuild after intense exercise, and without adequate rest, you may hinder your progress rather than enhance it. Overtraining can lead to a host of issues, including injuries, fatigue, and burnout. When you push your body too hard without giving it time to recover, you risk straining muscles and joints, which can set you back in your fitness journey. It's essential to listen to your body and recognize when it needs a break. A balanced workout schedule typically includes a mix of strength training, cardio, and rest days. For example, you might aim for 3 to 4 days of strength training, 2 to 3 days of cardio, and at least 1 to 2 rest days each week. On rest days, consider incorporating light activities like walking or yoga to promote recovery without overexerting yourself. By prioritizing rest and recovery, you'll not only enhance your performance but also ensure long-term success in your fitness goals. Remember, consistency is key, not daily workouts. Myth 5: supplements are essential for results. A prevalent belief in the fitness community is that supplements are necessary to achieve your fitness goals. While it's true that certain supplements can enhance performance and recovery, they are not a substitute for a healthy diet. The foundation of any successful fitness journey lies in the nutrients you obtain from whole foods. An all-rounded selection of foods in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and unsaturated fats give the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs to function optimally. These nutrients support muscle growth, recovery, and overall health, making them crucial for achieving your fitness results. Supplements such as protein powders or vitamins can be beneficial in specific situations, like when dietary intake is insufficient or for convenience. However, relying solely on supplements can lead to nutrient imbalances and may not yield the desired results. For example, whole foods like chicken, quinoa, spinach, and berries can provide the necessary protein, carbohydrates, and antioxidants to support your fitness goals. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your meals ensures you're fueling your body effectively. Ultimately, while supplements can play a role, they should complement a nutritious diet rather than replace it. Focus on whole foods first for sustainable and effective results. In this video, we've tackled some of the most common fitness myths that can mislead gym goers and hinder their progress. We debunked the idea that more sweat equals more fat loss, clarified that lifting weights doesn't automatically lead to a bulky physique, and emphasized that cardio isn't the only way to lose weight. We also challenged the notion that daily workouts are necessary for success and highlighted that supplements are not essential for achieving your fitness goals. Understanding these myths and their implications is crucial for making informed fitness choices. By focusing on effective workout strategies, prioritizing rest and recovery, and fueling your body with whole foods, you can optimize your results and enjoy a more fulfilling fitness journey. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to engage with our channel. Please subscribe for more fitness insights, like this video to show your support, and share it with friends who might benefit from debunking these myths. Together, we can create a community that embraces informed fitness practices and empowers each other to reach our goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.